Good afternoon, dear boys and girls. I hope you are all fine, and I believe that the online classes are very useful to you all. Today we are going to study 6th unit poem The Comet. What is the meaning of comet? Comet means an icy small solar body which, when passing close to the sun, warms and begins to release gases that are seen on rare occasions from the earth as a bright line in the sky. So this is called comet. The comet is written by Norman Littleford, 18 May 1889 to 20 May 1947 was an American poet. He was born in Maryland, USA. His poems focused on life and nature. He writes simple poems but deep in thought. Dear students, let's read stanza by stanza and try to understand the poem. Rampaging through the heavens. Rampaging. When the comet rampaging through the heavens means, heaven means sky, okay? The comet goes through an area making a lot of noise and causing damage. That is called, causing damage means rampage. Rampaging means causing great damage. So the comet goes through an area making a lot of noise and causing damage. Never stopping day or night. The comet will never stop day or night. It never takes a break either during day or night. A spectacle of lifetime. A spectacle of a lifetime. That means it is very attractive to see. It is very beauty to see the comet. A comet in full flight. It is a spectacular sight to see a comet in full flight. Faster than a cheetah, with a tail that's mile long. The speed of the comet is faster than the fastest land animal, the cheetah. The poet compares the comet speeds to the fastest land animal, cheetah. So the comet is faster than the cheetah. That's what he is trying to say. And this is bigger than a mountain, so powerful and strong. And also with a tail that's mile long. The comet has a tail that a miles long. That means it is very huge to see. That's what they say, that is bigger than the mountain. The comet looks bigger than a mountain and it is so powerful and strong. The comets, the outer ice is melting, causing vapor from the force and leaves a trail. Trail means a path behind it as it travels on its course. The outer ice melts, which causes a vapor from the force and leaves behind a path as it travels on its way. If one should come too close to the earth, the atmosphere will shake. If a comet comes very close to the earth's atmosphere, it causes a shake, which in turn produces a shock wave that reaches the earth's surface. With the shock wave reaching to the ground, causing the land to quake. Quake means the short form of the earthquake. Understand? The sudden violent movement of the earth's surface sometimes causes great damage. That's like a earthquake. Understand? Scientists say the chemicals in the dust they leave behind. See the chemicals, the dust which comes from the comet could have started life on the earth. In this earth, life have started from the dust of the comet, which resulted in mankind. The human being also started from the dust of the or chemical of the comet. That's what they are trying to say. According to the scientists, the comet leave behind chemicals in the form of the dust, which resulted in the emerging life. That means life have started from that dust on this earth. Thus mankind came into existence. So this is how only man have come from this, or he has existed in this world. The poet says, I cannot say if this is true. I do not have the right. The poet is not sure whether this principle, whether we said the above, no, that through that comets, dust and chemicals, life have started, and also mankind came into existence. That is not, the author says, the poet is not sure whether the principle is true or not, but he knows for sure that whatever the truth may be, but I know no better spectacle than a comet in full flight. The sight of the comet in full flight is spectacular. What the poet is trying to say is, he describes the beauty of the comet. Understand? We might have seen during the night time, understand, in the sky, a small star, understand, with burning, like it burns like a tails, understand, it will go, then after some time it will vanish. So in the night time when we see, it is very spectacular. That means very attractive to see. It is very beauty. That is what the poet trying to, describe or explain about the comet. Dear students, read thoroughly and try to understand. If you have any doubt, you can ask me, and I have given you appreciation questions and paragraph questions. Kindly study and write in your assignment notes. Thank you.